A local hospital recently made a tremendous leap forward in offering better patient care. It now offers one of the area's largest surgical care units, designed with innovative safety features and the latest in modern technology. In this edition of Health Matters, we're taking you inside Florida Hospital Carrollwood in North Tampa.
We felt like this was a unit that was very important to upgrade and become a very high statement of the quality and healing process that we want to have.
Who did you turn to get advice when designing this surgical care unit?
We went to a number of sources, but as we looked at other facilities, we wanted to take the ideal setting from other examples that we had seen and from our own team to make sure that we were creating a facility and a space that was both helpful to the healing process of our patients, but also that incorporated the usability and the ability to work in for our team.
I've never seen a bed like this in a hospital. What does it do exactly?
Well, it almost wakes you up and prepares breakfast for you, but not quite. It is a comfortable bed for one thing, but it also has these scales built in, so the nursing staff do not have to get you up out of bed to weigh the patient. So it has the scales. It also takes temperature, and it has alarms built in so that if you're not supposed to be getting out of bed, the nursing team will be alerted.
Are some of your lifts remote?
Yes, we do have some remote lifts, and they're built into the ceiling so that patients can move and be moved to other areas of the room or the restroom even.
And that puts less stress on the nurses physically.
Correct.
Wow.
Correct. It's a safety feature which is beneficial both to the safety of the patient as well as to the staff. On this surgical unit, we have all private rooms. So it is a specific effort to make sure that each room has its own ambiance and statement for quality, for privacy, quietness. It's elegantly appointed, and it's very comfortable.
Why devote an entire floor, 25 rooms, to surgical care?
Our community has really come to rely on us and recognize us as a surgical facility. As perhaps, even though we do more business than only surgery, this is something we're somewhat becoming known for.
Describe what it means to be a HIMSS Level 7 award winner.
HIMSS sets the patient safety standards nationally through the use of patient electronic records. And so as we have achieved a higher level of this safety, it translates into the ability to make sure that our patients are cared for in a very careful and established way. The in-room computer system is really the brain of our safety effort, and certainly from a HIMSS Level 7 standpoint, we want it convenient and safe for documenting the patient experience right here in the room.
Talk a little bit about your Get Well network.
Our Get Well network is a feature that we've added to all of our rooms here in the 5th floor so that we have education as well as entertainment, all the abilities for keeping the patient informed of their stay and to give us feedback on their experience.
Describe the meaning behind your company motto.
You know, the Adventist health system philosophy, which is the spirit to care and the skill to heal, it really has developed from the mid-1800s when we established our health system. It was an outgrowth of the Adventist Church, in which we believe that there is not only skill and the science behind health, but there's also the spirit. We want to make sure that we are addressing the patient's total needs. And it really is, their body is a part of their need, but their mental attitude and their spiritual aspect is also very important to their healing and their health.
Describe Creation Health. What does that mean?
Creation Health is really an outcome of our church and hospital program starting back in the mid-1800s. It goes back to a time when we believed and recognized there were 8 natural principles for health. And so this is now an acronym which we call Creation Health. And it really is displayed here in our unit as a public recognition and a statement for what we believe and the health principles that we want to promote.
Florida Hospital Carrollwood is located at 7171 North Del Mabry Highway in Tampa. Keep in mind, they're always looking for volunteers. For more information on the hospital, go to our website at mytvtampabay.com.